Yo, what is up guys, this is Hadi from HadiTech back with another video. In today's video guys, we're going to be showing you how to actually get your website indexed on Bing Webmasters. I know a lot of y'all are just frustrated and you've been actually trying to get your website to be indexed on Bing Webmasters, but you could not. And I've been actually in your shoes before. As you can see, this is just one of the earliest websites that I've created, and as you can see in the dashboard from Bing Webmasters, there's 0 clicks, 0 impressions, and literally nothing on. This is just a pattern that was following me for the longest, and this is the second website, and practically it's just the same as the latter, although I've tried to actually submit my sitemaps and request indexing manually, but for some reason Bing do take a lot of time to actually index your website. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to actually get past around that and how to index your website faster. One of the examples that I've tried this method on was this website right here. So let's just look for this website. As you can see, I have actually tried this method with this website for literally 1 month. Now we have impressions and clicks as well. And all of this was possible by just using Cloudflare. Cloudflare is just the ultimate CDN literally nowadays, and one of the major updates they had is that Microsoft actually had a collab with Cloudflare, and they now are supporting their latest indexation tool, which is Index Now. And this Index Now supports their Microsoft Bing and Yandex search results. So by default, Cloudflare will just ping your website, post, whatever the case might be, to Bing and Yandex, and that way the crawlers will actually come crawl your website, and probably they will index it faster. This article, as you can see, was posted by Microsoft devs themselves, and you can check it out. The link will be in the description down below, and the same can be said on Cloudflare as well, because they posted the same thing. As you can see, they claim the efficiency is just up to 45%. So yeah, without just babbling about numbers and stuff, let's just get straight on with this tutorial. So obviously the first thing that you need to do is just create a Cloudflare account. If you don't have a Cloudflare account, then go ahead and create your own free account. It's just free, and yeah, it's just really not necessarily for me to show you how to create an account on Cloudflare, because it's just that simple. Once you do that, click on add a domain, and in here just type in the domain that you want to add in Cloudflare. So let's just go ahead and add our domain. So I typed in my domain just like that, and in here there's a new setting they have added, which is block AI training bots. And for this one, I would just turn it off, because if you turn it on, basically if you want any assistance with any AI chat bot, you cannot do that. They cannot crawl your website, and that could be a problem. If you want to block it, then it's just totally up to you, but I would rather leave it off. Once you do that, click on continue. Once that is done, they will tell you to select a plan. Just stick with the free plan, because you can literally use Cloudflare for free. Select this plan, and just like that, Cloudflare will scan your DNS records and add them for you in here. So let's just say, for example, that you are running your website on a different provider. They will just import the same DNS to Cloudflare without manually doing that. So just double check if there is anything missing, one of the records missing. You can add that manually for yourself. If everything is just good, click on continue to activation. And once that is done, they will tell you to switch your name servers to Cloudflare's name servers. And in order to do that, just type in Google Cloudflare and followed by your hosting provider. So for me, it's just Hostinger, so I know how to do that. All I have to do is just go to DNS name servers on Hostinger and click on change name server and select change name servers and copy these two right here. Just copy these two. The first one should be this one, and the second one should be the second one accordingly, just like that. And click on save, and just like that, click close. And in here, click continue, and voila, just like that, it should be done, and it should be up and running in no time. That probably may take some time depending on the hosting provider that you are using. So for example, Hostinger does not take that much, probably 10 minutes at best, but it could be longer for some other providers like Namecheap, so bear that in mind. Once you switch your name servers, click on SSL and TLS and scroll all the way down, and in here just select the full option. You can select one of these, but I would recommend you just select full. If not full, just select full strict, but I'll just leave it at full. That way every connection should be over HTTPS, not HTTP. Also click on Edge certificates and enable always use HTTPS. Enable this. This will ensure anybody trying to access the website from the HTTP protocol will be redirected to HTTPS, which is the more secure way of browsing the website, basically. Once you do that, click on caching. This is the important thing that you need to do, and click on configuration. And once you do that, scroll all the way down until you find crawler hints and enable this. This is the option that is responsible for sending crawler hints to Bing and Yandex webmasters. So this is how you can speed up your indexation of your website. Once you finish setting up your account on Cloudflare, head back to Bing Webmasters and scroll all the way to sitemaps and submit your sitemaps once more again, just like this. And also you can request manual indexation once again from the URL inspection. But this time I do guarantee you your links will be indexed faster. Just keep a consistent pace of adding links and requesting indexation on Bing Webmasters and you will see results in due time, probably a month from doing this, and your website should be fully indexed on Bing. Alright, so like I said, this was just a quick tutorial on how to actually get your website indexed on Bing and Yandex as well. If you found this video helpful, kindly drop a like, comment down below if you have any questions. And yeah, take care of yourselves guys, see you in the next one, and peace.